Did anyone finish it? யாராவது முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Come on, did anyone finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Who finished?
Finish, ma'am. Promise.
Parents don't teach them, let them find it on their own. D30 worksheet, Mitra. D30 worksheet. You will have two pictures here. Find out the difference. What is here? It will not be here. Missing. It will be missing here. Find the missing thing. Okay, and circle that place. Hazel, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish, Hazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Very good. What's up, Guru?
மதுவந்தி உன்னை பார்க்கவே இல்லை பாருங்க. நீ சொன்னதானே தெரியும். மதுவந்தி finish ma'am.
Madhuvanti finish, ma'am.
Very good, Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good. Jason, finish.
Three he found out.
Good morning, Tarneshwar. Take D30 CT worksheet, Tarneshwar.
Three கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இன்னும் two difference இருக்கு.
D30 CT worksheet. Take this and find the difference.
கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு வேற.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on. You yourself find out.
இன்னும் ரெண்டு difference இருக்கு.
Finish. Darshan also finish. Good.
Correct.
Winter to it.
Circle பண்ணிக்காம.
Donut.
Okay.
Sukri, finish.
Finish the cake, ma'am.
Yes, I found it.
I finished earlier.
Finish or not?
The rotten.
Yes.
Sukri, finish.
சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம் கேக்கல.
Sukri,
Yes,
Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish பண்ணலையா சுக்ரி கௌதம்? அச்சச்சோ.
He put rounds in all the photos, ma'am. Like both the photos he found out. He missed out that rings. He missed out rings alone. He missed out.
Okay, fine. Very good, Varsha. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the answers. Ready?
Please, ma'am.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, first difference. First difference is here. Here. Can you see here? Here you have a windowsill, but here you don't have. Okay? First, number one. Okay, number two, balls. Can you see the balls here? Here you can see the balls, but here you cannot see the balls. That is number two. Okay, third one, two window doors are here. But only one door is here, another door is missing, number three. Okay, and then here you have a fence here. Here you have a fence, but here you don't have a fence. That is number four. And what is the fifth one? Let me see. What is the fifth one?
Huh? I know.
What is that? Yes? Yeah, the lines. Here you have the lines here. Okay? But here you don't have. That is number 5.
No.
Yes? 5 differences found out?
Ma'am, one more is there, ma'am.
Yeah, one more is there. Back here. This is right.
Eyebrows, ma'am.
Whoa.
Eyebrows.
Mm.
The girl, eyebrows, very good. Yeah, girl. Okay, very good. Jason found out that. Super, Jason. That's very minute, so I didn't mention it. Here. And then here also the fence will be missing here. This fence and here. So totally there are 7. Eyebrows is 6 and this fence is 7. Yeah? How many did you all find out? At least 5? Did you all find out at least 5?
4, ma'am.
4. Who found out 4?
And I have eyebrow. Yes, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4, very good. How many did you find out?
5,
Yes,
ma'am.
5, very good. Varsha, how many did you find out?
5, ma'am.
5. Okay, next. Dashwan, how many did you find out?
5.
5, good. Radhyani? How many did you find out, Maradhyani?
Sollu.
Finger.
1,
Huh?
2, 3. 3. Sollu.
You found out 3. Okay, good. Hazel, how many did you find out?
5.
7.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Nice. Not good. Lying,
all
huh?
the balls and he's saying 7, ma'am.
Okay, next. Jason. Jason.
எத்தனை கண்டுபிடிச்ச சொல்லு சத்தமா ஏய் 5 சொல்லு போதும் 5
5. Okay, good. Ananya.
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4. Good. Keshav.
7.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Mitra, how many did you find out? How many? Count and tell me how many you found out. Mitra.
5, ma'am.
5. Very good, all of you. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Now all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. Varsha, will you say Kidzi Anthem today?
Ma'am.
No, say.
Okay.
Wait,
Wait, 1 minute, Varsha. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Now start, Varsha. Kidzi Anthem.
Say.
Kizzy Anthem, the wall of the night, one night, beautiful.
You are unique.
You are unique, my potential child. You are the brain. You are
Unique.
beneath my sight. Beautify me, my potential child. Today I flash on my night. I shall achieve you, my potential child.
Yes, very good and thank you, Varsha. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. Good morning to ma'am. Ma'am can't hear your good morning.
Good
Keep standing.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning, children. Keep standing for the warm-up activity. Come on. Run, run, run. Run, run, all of you. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back. Very good, Madhaswan. Good, Hazel.
Ma'am.
Very good, Ma Jason. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Next. Radhyani. Radhyani.
Ma'am.
Why don't you answer, Radhyani? You're looking at your picture, right? Next. Very good, Rudve. Next. Sarah is absent. Okay, next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Dhananya. Next.
Yeah,
Very good, Gautam. Next. Visha. She's not there. Okay. Kavi Kartika. Next.
yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mahalini. Next. Next.
I am ma'am.
Very good, Mamitra. Next. Next.
Ma'am.
Very good, Matarneshwar. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Next. Vihan is absent today. Next.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Madhvanti. Okay, children, do you all remember the rhyme which I taught you, children? Do you all remember the rhyme?
Yes.
What rhyme did I teach you last week?
Vegetable.
Huh?
Vegetable.
What rhyme? Vegetables rhyme. Okay, shall we sing that? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. One more time. One more time. All of you do the actions. Come on, let me see. All of you do the action. Action பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes? Very good. Wonderful. Okay, next is going to be our family rhyme. Today, who is going to sing the family rhyme? It's going to be Mitra. Mummy, Daddy rhymes, Mitra. Unmute yourself and sing, Ma.
Mummy, Daddy, I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and songs all through the day. Then mountain park, then mountain fire, softly. I give you half and give you then we.
Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Mitra. Next, Mahini. Next rhyme. 5 senses rhyme.
5 cents.
Okay, continue. I'll check it out.
And one tongue that helps me taste. Diesel in me.
Mahini, one more time. I have 2 eyes.
I have 2 eyes that can see, and one tongue.
I have 1 nose.
That cancel.
I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. These are real things.
They make me feel things pretty much.
I have things pretty much.
I have 2 ears that can hear.
I have 2 ears that can hear. One tongue that help me taste. These are in my 5 senses. These are things I should not waste.
Very good, Mahilini. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Next, children, all of you stand up. Let us road count 1 to 30. Come on, stand up. Jump, all of you. All of you should jump. Stand up, all of you. Satyani, stand up. I want everyone to stand. Come on, ready? Steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very good. Now come on, all of you sit down. Sit down, all of you. Friday we learnt about a concept. Ma'am also showed you plants, trees. Yeah, good morning, Ma Kavi Kartika. Plants, trees, flowers and all. And we learnt about the parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? What are the parts of a plant? Come on, tell me. Leaf. Very good. Leaf, stem, flower, root. So 4 parts we learned. Okay. So do you know how the plant grows? Do you know how the plant grows? Yes or no? Do you all know that? What all they need to grow? You all need food to eat. When you eat food only, you will grow strong and healthy. Yes or no? Likewise, what plants need to grow? Plants need air, water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide in the air. It takes the carbon dioxide and it gives out oxygen. Okay, children. So, air, water, sunlight, all these things are needed for a plants to grow. First, air veno. You all breathe in, right? We all breathe, right? How will we breathe? நம்ம எப்படி breathe பண்ணுவோம்? Like this we'll breathe, no? The same way plants also will breathe. Okay, and then you want food to eat. Yes, you want breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yes, everything you want to eat, right? 3 meals in a day. Likewise, plants need water. When we pour water only, plants will grow. Otherwise, they will not grow, they will die. Okay, so they need water and then sunlight. Proper sunlight. Okay, they need air, water and sunlight. Okay, today we are going to see the types of plants. On Friday, ma'am showed you trees and plants, right? Today we are going to see the types of plants. So let us see what are the types of plants. Tree. What tree is this? Mango tree. And then neem tree. Neem tree means what? What is neem tree in Tamil? Yes, you all will have near your houses also, right? Vepamaram you will have, right? That is neem tree. The next is coconut tree. On Friday, I showed you the coconut tree, right? A tall woody tree, coconut tree, okay? All these are trees. Trees are very tall, high and they are very strong, okay? So these are the trees. Next, what we are going to see here. This is a rose plant. And next is the jasmine plant. And next is the hibiscus plant. All these are shrubs. Okay, what are shrubs? Shrubs are small and bushy plants. Shrubs are, all of you listen here. Unless you listen, you will not understand the concept. Shrubs are small and bushy plants. They will not grow like trees. Trees mari oyarama valara matanga, but they'll be short but woody. And they'll give fruits and flowers also. Those are called as shrubs. Come on, repeat after ma'am. Shrubs. Shrubs. Okay. And next is, this is Tulsi. You all know what is Tulsi? Dashwan, sit down, Dashwan. If you don't listen, how will you learn, Dashwan? Is this the way you sit in class? Tulsi, your mama will be giving you, when you have cough and all. Tulsi, we all will have near our houses. And this is mint. Pudina, mint chutney, pudina chutney, mummy will make, right? For idli and dosa and all. Yes or no, have you seen? So all these are herbs. Come on, repeat after ma'am. Herbs. Tulsi, mint, all these are herbs, okay? And next, what we are going to see is creeper. See here, what fruit is this? Anyone? Yeah, watermelon. Very good. Now next, what is this? Pumpkin. Very good. So these are creepers. Are they in trees? Trees liya irukku watermelon and pumpkin? Trees liya irukku? Tree mariya valandirukku? No, they are not like trees. See here, all the leaves are on the ground. Ground la அப்படியே spread ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. So that is called as creepers. Okay, they spread on the ground and grow. So that is called as creepers. Okay, and next, what is this? Anyone knows? What is this? What vegetable is this? Snake. Good. Very good. It looks like a snake, right? And what vegetable is this?
Cucumber. She got cucumber.
Bottle guard. Very good. It's not cucumber. It is bottle guard. Okay. So see here. Can you see? 1 minute. Can you see the climber, children? What are climbers? They need a support to grow. ஏதாவது ஒரு கொம்பு வச்சோம்னா it will grow on that stick itself. See here, it is climbing over the stick. Can you see how it is climbing? All of you look closely how it is climbing. Can you see, children? There is 2 sticks over there and the stem is trying to catch the stick. See here. It is climbing over the stick. So only they are called as climbers. See carefully, children. How they are climbing. See there. It got a hold of that stick and it is climbing over the stick. So only they are called as climbers. Okay. So all these are called as climbers. They are not like creepers. Creepers na ground layer irukum. But climbers, they will climb on a stick and they will grow. They need a support to grow. Or support venum because their stems are very weak. So they need a support to grow. Okay. And next, can you see here what is this? There are 3 plants here. What can you see in these plants, children? Mullu. What is mullu in English? Thorns. Thorns. Okay. Will you touch these plants? எல்லாரும் தொடுவீங்களா அந்த plant போய்? Will you touch it? தொட முடியுமா போய்? No, you cannot touch it. Why? If you touch it, it will prick your fingers. Okay, so it is called as thorny plants. Even rose plant, you will have thorns in that. Cactus, see these 2 are cactus. These are called as thorny plants. A plant which has thorns. எதுல முள்ளு இருக்கோ, those are called as thorny plants. What you will say? Thorny plants. Okay, முள்ளு செடி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா அம்மா, முள்ளு இருக்கு கையில குத்திடும் தொடாத, like that they will say, no. So those plants are called as thorny plants. Okay. See here, trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers, thorny plants. So there are 6 type of plants. First is trees, second is shrub, third is herbs, fourth one is creeper, fifth one is climber, and the 6th one is thorny plants. Okay, now ma'am is going to show you the action for each plant. Okay, are you all ready? You must follow the action, children. First is trees. Trees, all of you show your hands like this. Trees. All of you should do. I must see everyone doing. Trees. Yes? Fine. Very good. Shrubs. Shrubs. Shrubs like this. Shrubs. Shrubs are very small, short plants. They will not grow like trees, but they will be strong also. Okay? Shrubs. Herbs. Herbs na ennadu? Kalpuravalli and all, mummy will give you when you have cough, no? That is herb. It will treat you. Medicinal plants. It will work as medicine. Okay? Herbs, you will do like this. Herbs. Next is creeper. Creeper will go on the ground. Creeper. All of you do the action. Creeper. Creeper. On the ground. Creeper. Radhyani, do it. Creeper. And then climber. Climb like a snake. Climber up. Go up like this. This is climber. Climbing. See, my hands are climbing, right? The plant will also grow like that. Climber. Do it. Climber. Sukriv Gautam. Do the action. Climber. All of you do it one more time. Climber. And then finally, thorny plants. It will prick your finger if you touch, no? So do like this, thorny plants. Prick your finger. Thorny plants. Okay, should not touch it. Thorny plants. Okay, one more time. Trees. Trees. Come on. Trees. Shrubs. Shrubs. Herbs. Herbs. Creeper. Creeper. Climber. Climber. Thorny plant. Thorny plant. Thorny plant na முள்ளு இருக்கும் அதுல. Thorny plant. Okay, so these are the all 6 types of plants. Tomorrow we'll be having a small recap. Now I want you to take the worksheet D28CT. D28CT. Take your worksheet D28CT and today's date is 9-8-2121. Write today's date also, children. D28CT. This worksheet will be having write today's date. Nine dash 8 dash 2121. Okay, match the type of plants to their names. All of you have taken your worksheet. Shall we start doing it? Yes. First is a tree and the second picture is a shrub and third is a herb. Okay, now we are going to match which is a tree, which is a shrub and which is a herb. First circle the herb. This is herb. Circle herb first. Herb na another tulsi plant. Can you see the tulsi plant here? Herb. Herb means what action? You will rub your neck. Herb. So match the tulsi plant over here. And next is the shrub. Circle shrub. Shrub. Here you have a woody plant here. Small woody plant, that is shrub. And third is a tree. You all know what is a tree. Match the tree.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish? Very good. Which is the shrub? Show me the shrub, children. All of you show me in your worksheet. Which is the shrub? Small woody plant shrub.
Touch பண்ணிக்காம which is shrub இதுல? Which is shrub?
Among the three, which is shrub? First one, second one, third one. Which is shrub? Come on. Yes, which is shrub, ma? First one, second one, or third one?
Second.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Second is the shrub. Which is the tree? First one, second one, or third one? Which is the tree? Which is the tree?
In the tree.
Huh? First one, second one, third one, tree.
What the tree?
First one, very good, Kavi Kartika. And which is the herb? Herb, எங்க இருக்கு? Tulsi plant, herb, எங்க இருக்கு? Where is herb? Last one, very good. Thank you so much, children. Okay, next worksheet, D29CT.
Thank you.
Yeah, D29CT. Look at the first plant in each row. Dashwan, you are supposed to do worksheet, Dashwan. What are you doing with your mind? Nowadays, not at all listening that one. Why is that? Look at the first picture in each row. Circle the plant in that row. Circle the same plant in that row. Okay, so here you can see a thorny plant. Yes, rose has thorns in it. So it is a thorny plant. So see where is the same thorny plant in these three and circle it. See in this box you have a plant, right? இந்த plant இந்த லைன்ல எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து circle பண்ணுங்க. Thorny plant. This is a creeper. Thorny plant. Climber. This is the same one here. Like this you have to circle. Second is a creeper. Watermelon is a creeper. See where is the creeper here? This one or this one? This is the creeper. This one. Okay. And the third one is a climber. This is a climber. See where is the same climber in these three? இந்த மூணுல எது அந்த same climber னு பார்த்து circle பண்ணுங்க. Climber. Creeper, climber and a shrub. All of you touch the shrub. Which is the shrub in this sheet? Edu shrub in the sheet la? Touch the shrub. Which is the shrub, Makesha? Shrub, very good. Which is the creeper? Which is the creeper? Very good. Which is the climber? Climber. Good, well done. Hazel. Hazel. Which is the creeper, Hazel? Which is the creeper?
Which is the creeper? This creeper.
Edu creeper anga. Show me the creeper. Good. Which is the climber? Edu climb பண்ணி போகுது climber.
Which is the climber?
Which is the climber? Very good, Hazel. And which is the shrub? Shrub na small woody plant. Shrub. Shrub is very good. Thank you. Okay, shall we move on to the next worksheet? Circle the correct picture in each row. First is worksheet number, I'll tell you the worksheet number, D30CT. This worksheet, D30CT. All of you have taken? First three pictures, find out which is the creeper, children. Do it on your own. Let me see how many of you are able to do. Find which is the creeper. Find out the creeper and circle. Which is the creeper? Anyone knows the answer? Creeper. This is the word creeper. Creeper எது இந்த three pictures? Yes, ma? Pumpkin. It's not parangika. It is pumpkin. Okay. So circle the pumpkin. Very good, Mamitra. Thank you so much. Okay. Second one, tree. Second la tree edu? Come on, find which is the tree. Tree. This is the tree word. Tree எது இந்த மூணுத்துல எது tree? Which is tree? Yes. Point out the tree. Tree எது? Very good. Banyan tree. You have a banyan tree here. Very good. Okay, third one is climber. Which tree, which plant is climbing? Which plant is climbing? Climber. Which is climber? Point out climber. Anyone? This one or this one? Which is climber?
Third one.
Which is climber?
Third one.
Third one. Thank you so much. Very good, children. Third one, climber. Well done, all of you. Finished, all of you? Now show me the action for climber, children. What is the action for climber? Climber action ennadu? Very good, Jason. How the snake will go up in the tree like this, no? Climber. Now show me the action for creeper. Creeper oda action காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Creeper. Creeper. Very good, Dashwan. Creeper. Like this. Like how the water will flow. Creeper on the ground. Okay. And then show the action for a tree. Tree ki action காட்டுங்க. Show me the action for a tree. This is the branch of a tree. How the branches will be in a tree like this. Okay. Next, show me the action for a thorny plant. Thorny plant. If you touch it, it will prick you. Thorny plant. Thorny plant oda action ennadu? Thorny plant. You touch it, it will prick you. Thorny plant. Okay, very good. Shall we move on to the next worksheet? Today's alphabet worksheet, what we are going to do is, J, all of you look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone. We'll do the worksheet afterwards. First, look at the screen. J, what is the phonic sound for J, children? Anyone knows? What is it? Well done. High five, everyone. High five, all of you, high five. Very good, children. You all know the sounds. Very good. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay. So, shall we see the related pictures to it? J, ja, ja, jug. See here, jug. Ja, ja, jeep. Ja, ja, jelly. Ja, ja, jellyfish. Ja, ja, jar. Sukri Gautam, look at the screen. Ja, ja, joker. Ja, ja, jaguar. Okay. Jug, jeep, jelly, jellyfish, jar, joker, jaguar. All these pictures you can hear the j sound. Can you hear the j sound in everything? Jug, j, 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 jug, jeep, j, jeep, jelly, j, jelly, jellyfish, j, jellyfish, j, jar, joker, jaguar. So all these pictures you can hear the j, j, j sound. Okay. Next is the worksheet. D31 LT. D31 LT. T31 LT. Ready? J, as usual, capital, like capital J only you have to write. But instead of that sleeping line, you will keep a small dot in it. That's it. Like how we wrote I, no, a standing line and a dot on top of it. Likewise, for J, you're not going to draw the sleeping line. See here. J, a standing line with a curve and a small dot. Come on. J. Dot. Small letter J, you have to keep the dot only, children. Don't put the sleeping line. If you draw a sleeping line, it will become capital J. Sleeping line போட்டிங்கன்னா அது capital J ஆகிடும். Okay. So don't put sleeping line. Just keep a dot on top of it. Okay. Small letter J. Next page will be your homework, children. Darshan finished? Good. Very good, Darshan. Very good, Madhwanti.
அம்மா பெருசு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Yes, very good.
Reach man.
Very good. Those who are finished. Yeah, those who are finished, take worksheet number D31. Empty, not CT, empty. Empty worksheet, children. Number 2121. Two 121 worksheet. Do you all have it? D31 empty. Here you have group of tens, two group of 10. So first one is 10, second is 21. 21. 10, 20 and 1. 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. First write number 2 and then 1, children. If you write 1 and 2, it will become 12. So first number you have to write is 2. 2, 1, 21. Spell and write. That is very important, children. Spell and write. Only when you spell and write, you will be clear with the numbers. Or else you will have confusion. 1, 2, 12. Or else 2, 1, 12. Like that doubts you will get. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Apart from that J worksheet, today's homework will be 1 to 20 numbers. Write in math notebook and send it, okay? What number you are writing, Hazel?
சரி சரி ஓகே சரி
What number you are writing, ma?
Hazel, what number is this? 2 1. Say. Huh? Say.
2 1.
2, 1?
21. Hello.
2, 1, 21. Fast? How fast he is writing, see?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
fast spelling it out, huh? Hazel. Everyone started to write very fast, but you are very busy. You are not at all spelling it out and writing, children. Why is that? What number you wrote, Madhvanti?
2121.
Very good, Madhvanti. 2121. Good. Sukriv Gautam, what number you are writing?
Ma'am, 10
Huh?
சொல்லுங்க இது என்ன? 2 அப்புறம்
Finished, ma'am.
21.
21.
good job.
21. Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Finish, children. Very good, Keshav. Finish, Keshav.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Come on, children, finish it fast. We still have one thing to do. We didn't sing birthday song for Sukriv Gautam. We have to sing, no? Come on, finish it fast.
Happy birthday to
No, not now, not now. Let everyone finish the last thing.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait, ma.
you.
Madhvanti, wait.
Surya, may God
Good
bless
God.
you. May God bless you, dear Sugri Gautam. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, ma, Madhvanti. Let others also finish. Wait.
Wait.
Come on, all of you, finish fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished, everyone?
Finish.
Very good, Madhashwan.
To 121. Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Very good. Ready, all of you? Close your book if you have finished. Still, who is writing? Birthday boy is still writing, ah? Ready? Shall we sing? Yes, all of you close your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, close your books. Let's start singing the birthday song. Yes, Sukriv Gautam. Happy birthday to Very good, boy. Okay, children, let me come back, okay?
சாந்தி முட்டை ஒரு முட்டை தான் ஊத்திருக்கேன் அதுலயே கன்சிஸ்டன்சி ஒரு மாதிரி நல்லா வந்துருச்சு டீ தண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன்
Srigaram. Yes, happy birthday to Srigaram. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, everyone.
Happy birthday.
Very good, children. Thank you so much, children. On behalf of Sukrit Gautam also, thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. Today's homework is J and 1 to 20 numbers you have to write in math notebook and send.